Hey everybody, so let's do first bad version. So in this you are given a number n. So this is basically versions of a machine. We have any random version which is faulty version of or it is a fail. So after that all the versions are fail. So we have to tell which is that version that is creating problem. The first version which fails. Okay, and we have given a internal function which is bad version. It is like an inbuilt function. Whenever you will call this function it will tell you if the machine is good or bad. So we have to write a code in the way that it calls this function minimum times. Okay, so we basically have to search the value, the first value which is 4. So let's suppose we have given n is equal to 5. Okay, so our array will be matlab, number of versions will be 1. So we will ask the machine if it is true or not. So let's suppose this is like a good version, this is also good, this is good, this is a faulty version. So after that this will also be a faulty version. Okay, so what we got from this information is that so we have to search the first bad machine. Okay, it is 4 here. We know for searching the best way to do is binary search, as it do every task in log n. So let's write the code for it. So here I'm taking start is equal to 0. Okay, then final number is equal to n. So while start is less than equal to final, I have created a midpoint, as we all do in binary search. Mid is equal to start plus the range minus 2. Oh sorry, this is start. Then if is bad version, we have called that function mid. And zor of is bad version mid minus 1 is true. Means both are different numbers. So we will return mid, or else we have to search in our lower range if this is true, and if it is not true, else we will say we have to search in our upper range. Okay, and if this is not true, then we will return -1. So let's run the code, and it got accepted.